hello there. The Vauxhall Corsa D has a secret menu that can be configured to suit your needs. For example, the menu could be configured so that the rear wiper comes on automatically when you select reverse gear, thus removing any water from the glass and improving your view. To do so, first insert the ignition key, but don't turn it. We now turn our attention to the left one behind the steering wheel, that's the one that controls the indicators, and also to the right one here that controls the wipers. We need to simultaneously pull both these wands towards us like so, and then hold them in position. And now, after a few seconds, we hear a beep, and the secret menu appears on the small screen below the fuel gauge in the instrument cluster. Here's a close-up, and as we can see, it says P1 off. Now, P1 relates to something we're not interested in today, so we need to move through the menu to P2. To move to P2, go to the indicator wand on the left of the steering wheel, then flick it up once. The menu now says P2 off, but we need to turn it on. To do that, swipe the wand on the right of the steering wheel up. And there we are, it now says P2 on. Finally, simultaneously pull both the left wand and the right wand towards you and hold until you hear a beep. There's the beep, and that confirms that the setting has been saved and that we're out of the secret menu. So now, as long as the front windscreen wipers are on, when we select reverse gear, like so, the rear wiper automatically comes on too. Magic. Now, bear in mind that the secret menu in this car does a lot more than I've shown you today, and as such, I've made a separate, longer video that explains all the options. If you'd like to see that, there's a link to it in the description of this video. Anyway, that's it for now, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV, that makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time when maybe we'll discover some more secrets. Bye bye.